Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we are going to be preparing these Pulmuone sweet cinnamon pancakes that I picked up at Costco. These directions are for the stovetop. If you'd like to know how to do them in the air fryer or the microwave, I will leave links for those videos down below. Now we've got everything that we need assembled here, which is of course our little pancakes. We have got our skillet. I've got some tongs if you feel like you might need them, and a spatula or whatever other device you'd like to use to move your pancakes around in your skillet. Now, first things first, we are going to put our ungreased skillet on our burner, and we're going to turn it to, their recommendation is medium. Now, I know my stove and this pan, I'm gonna turn this a little bit lower than medium, not quite medium low, but a bit above, because I know that I need it to be a little bit less hot. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. Now, per their directions, we are going to place our pancake directly into the pan without preheating it. We are cooking these from frozen. It is not recommended to thaw them before you cook them. I'm gonna let this cook for about 3 minutes on this side, and then I'm gonna check it. All right, guys, it has been about 3.5, 4 minutes, and we're gonna look at this and see. Turn it over. Not a whole lot has gone on. We're still very much pretty frozen. I'm gonna let this go for about 2 minutes and then take a look at it. I don't want it to get too brown or too burnt before the whole thing cooks through. All right, guys, it's been about 2 minutes. We are gonna turn this over and see what we're looking like. All right, that's pretty browned here. So I'm gonna let it sit on its backside right now, its underside, if you will. And I'm just gonna gently press a little bit so that way everything gets heated through evenly. And I'm gonna let that go for about a minute. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. All right, it's been a minute. Let's flip that back over. Now I want you to see also, there's these little pockets right here. The dough is not as cooked right here. So I'm gonna make note of that where that is. When I flip this over, I'm gonna apply some pressure right here because I know that's where that undercooked dough is on the opposite side. So I'm just gonna let that get a little bit more cooked by applying some light pressure in those areas. All right, it's been about a minute. I'm gonna flip that over. We're looking pretty good there. I'm pretty happy with that. The filling looks like it's definitely jiggly and liquidy enough in there. So now we know this is done. We can turn off our heat. So there we have it, guys. This is our completed Pulmuone sweet cinnamon pancake made on the stovetop. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. We'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.